Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So the other day, I said I gotta get up out of this bed and go do a little bit of walking, which was actually driving. And I have seen this store. I know we have one in Charlotte, but I really didn't go in that one too much. And it is called Tuesday Morning. Finally took the time out, and it's down by the beach, which is about 30 minutes from my house. And I said, let me stop in here and see what they have. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. I do have some footage, and take a look at the walk with me through the store, and I'll show you what I picked up. Shopwithme. And I only got 4 things. And I think they're fabulous of what I picked up. So let me show you the biggest thing that I found. This nice comforter set. It's like a 5-piece comforter set in twin. And I can see it on here. You get the twin comforter, the pillowcase, a decorative pillow. They give you the sheets, and then you get the shade. And I thought this was a nice little design. It's the butterflies. And it was regularly $24.99, if you can see that. And it had 20% off. So I ended up getting this for $19.99, which I thought was a steal. A 5-piece comforter set, 5-piece comforter set. And this is for Truly Bear's room when for her birthday. Her birthday's not till September, but I said, you know, you got to start early. So I got that. I thought that was, like I said, a fabulous deal. And then I saw these fabulous glam metal shower hooks. Look at that. And these were $5.99. And I'm going to open them up because if you see my past video when I was redoing my bathroom, I had other hooks up there and I didn't like them, so I had just ran to the Dollar Tree. And as you know, I have been staying out of Home Goods. And this is what they look like. Isn't that pretty? Now you can actually, if you wanted to do a DIY and you had some type of tool to rip that off, these would be nice for knobs. But we're not going to do all that. But I just wanted to share with you what I found over at Tuesdaymorning. And you get a set of 12 of these for $6. Very nice. So when I get these hung up in my bathroom, I may do a little quick refresh in there, and I will show you these. And then lastly, I found these ribbon tape with glitter. Got 2 packs, and they were $3.49. So you know I'm going to do something fabulous with these. And I actually want to open one up because I want to see if it has the glue on the back of the ribbon. Oh, and it does. It says ribbon tape. You see the tape on the back? So I guess we would just peel that off and get the laying down. So be looking for this DIY that I will be doing with this tape. Oh my goodness, I wish I had this when I did my makeover for my dresser drawer. We'll be making something fabulous on Fabulous DIY Thursdays. So I got these 2 things. And the price total with the comforter, 2 of these, and the new shower curtain hooks, I paid $35.18, which I didn't think was too bad. I was only going in there to spend $20, but then when I seen the comforter for my granddaughter, I could not Rihanna the LOL comforter set, which was like $50 at Walmart, and that's for her when she comes down for the summer. And I could never find, you know, a comforter set for Truly Bear, so now she's straight. She has her comforter set. So hopefully I will be moving soon, and they will be having their room bunk beds. One will be LOL, and that will be the butterfly thing for Truly Bear. So that is just a quick little shop with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in another video. And like I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed. Bye-bye.